Good afternoon.
Good
We
afternoon,
are
ma'am.
going to start a new chapter, that is poverty. The last class I told you, today we are starting economics with a new chapter, poverty. Have you heard about the term poverty?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you mean by
Yes, ma'am.
poverty?
Not enough financial
Ma'am.
statement.
Yes. Not enough?
Financial, like
Not enough financial?
developed.
Okay. Not enough financial development is poverty. Then any other?
They are not
Have you
able
ever-
to
Can't buy any
fulfill their
essential
livelihood.
things.
Okay. What Aditya said?
Ma'am, they don't.
Not enough income to live.
Not enough income to live. Yes.
They
Okay.
don't
Very
have,
good.
They can't afford their livelihood.
Okay, they are not able to meet their needs. Okay, Hadidi, what you said?
Can't buy essential.
Can't buy essential commodities. Yes, all of these definitions are included poverty. Have you ever experienced poverty?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever experienced poverty?
No, ma'am.
No, definitely no. In your life, there is no chance for you to experience poverty. Have you ever seen the poor people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, where?
Yes, ma'am.
Like some roadside, like that, ma'am.
Some. Okay, before
Okay, dear.
starting the chapter, I will show you a video. Okay,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଯଦି ପଇସା ଥାନ୍ତା ଭଲ ଚିକିତ୍ସା ପାଇଥାନ୍ତି, ମୋର ଗୋଡ଼ ଭଲ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା, ଭଲ ଡାକ୍ତରଖାନା ବି ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି।
आज मरीज गोटे कि नुन खंडे कि किसी गोटे खाइबा मिलबार नहीं ताक तो गोड़ पड़ी गला बसला लोग तो बसीचे गोटे माँ बहन काट करनी की और खोजी खाइबाटा केती गोड़ गला मोर झियो खराब इलाका का तार बापा इनती कर डुलीते ना तार बापा इनती कर नहीं डुलती था मोर झियो तिले केते काम करी थी तानी
ଥାନ୍ତା ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି।
ती गोड़ गला
Have you ever experienced such a situation?
No, ma'am.
No. If you are ill, that time itself,
Our parents will treat us.
Paracetamol.
nowadays
Parents
paracetamol,
take
right?
to hospital.
Yes, yeah, definitely. See, children, don't think that it's a real video. That means so many people in India are suffering like that. They are not able to eat for at least one time. When you're studying this chapter, you think about that. I know it will affect us a lot because we never ever experienced like that. We never ever seen people like that. It's a real situation. In our country, so many people are dying because of poverty. At the time of lockdown, if you watch the news, you can see that. Have you ever seen that news? At that time, so many people were died because there is no job for them. So they are shifting from one place to another. Why? Because of poverty. Except Kerala. Kerala is really an exception. Have you ever visited any of the Indian states? Anyone? Bihar or UP or any other places?
Ma'am, Gujarat.
Gujarat. How was the condition there? Is it like Kerala?
No, ma'am.
No, even now the people don't know about electricity. gas connection.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Some
imagine
area
such a
is totally isolated.
even now, even in the 21st century, some people are unaware of these things about gas connection and also electricity. These all things are, they don't know what is electricity. Even nowadays also, without light, so many houses are there. And even now the salary, why these Bengalis are coming to Kerala to work?
Because they are not
Ma'am, it's
getting
Biharis.
sufficient salary.
Because for them it is a Gulf. Here they are getting 500 rupees or 600 rupees. But they even now they are getting 100 rupees or 150 rupees or maximum 200 rupees. If morning to evening they are working, sometimes they will not be paid. So such a condition was existing in the real world, in our India itself. In Kerala, that doesn't mean there is no poor. Obviously, in Kerala also poverty is there. Poor people are living here. But we have some public distribution system is very, what to say, it is highly developed in Kerala only. Even though it is there in whole the country, but this PDS, have you heard about ration shops and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is efficiently working in Kerala. Because of that, we are able to reduce the poverty. But even now, you heard about Attapadi and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Attapadi, yes, even now the
Yes,
children are dying there because of malnutrition. So the one of the greatest threat to the world, or one of the greatest challenge before India and around the world, is poverty. So I know we never ever, including you and me, we never ever experienced what is poverty. So we can start our chapter, that is poverty. As you said, who are poor or what is poverty? How to define poverty?
The people who does not have much income.
People don't have much income is poor. Yes.
Who is homeless.
Food. Food is important. So some people are there. First is the people without food. Then after food, what is our next aim?
Cloth.
Cloth. Then
House. Shelter.
shelter. Right. Very good. First we need food. After that, we
Clothes.
need a cloth. After that, we need
Shelter.
then
Money.
after
Job.
nowadays, two more things are
Income.
added to that. That is education and health. Okay. So poverty means it's a situation in which the people are not able to fulfill their basic necessities. If a person fails to fulfill the basic necessities of life, we call them as poor. So what are the basic necessities? The basic necessities include, obviously it starts with food. Food, clothing, shelter, and after that two more is there. Now what are they?
Education, health.
Education.
Health and education.
Education and health. So how to define poverty? Poverty is a situation in which an individual is unable to fulfill the basic necessities of life like food, shelter, clothing. And two more is there. One is basic education and the health care. Poverty, it is a situation, it's a definition for poverty. If a question is there, define poverty, you must write this definition. Poverty is a situation in which an individual is unable to fulfill the basic necessities of life. If a person failed to meet the basic necessities of life, which are the basic necessities? Food, shelter, clothing, education, and health care. Okay, write this definition. So children, remember how to define poverty?
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Okay. Now can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So poverty means it's a situation in which an individual is unable to
Yes, ma'am.
fulfill their basic necessities. Which are the basic necessities? Food, shelter, clothing, basic education and health care. So that situation is called as poverty. Then the people who are vulnerable to poverty, or actually who are poor. Who all are poor? The people, the landless laborers, the landless laborers, people who
Shelterless
are living
peoples.
in slums. Have you heard about slums?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dharavi and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, slums. Then the workers in the construction site. That are the casual workers, the daily workers in the construction sites, the beggars, and the children who are working in dabas and all. They all are coming under the category of poor. So who are the vulnerable? People who are vulnerable to poverty, or who all are poor? The landless laborers, then the people who are living in slums, the workers in the construction sites, the beggars, and the children working in dabas. All of them are coming under poor. Then coming to India, India has the largest number of poor people in the world. Unfortunately, India have the largest number of poor people in the world, because you know that India is the second largest populated country in the world also. Right, so population is more in India. At the same time, the proportion of people who are living in poverty is also high in India. And every fourth person in India is a poor. If we took 4 persons, among them 1 person may be a poor person. And around 27 crore of people living in India they are living under poverty. 27 crore people. As per the 2011-12 data, the poverty level in India is around 27 crore. Out of 121 crore people, around 21 crore people are living in poverty. Okay, so that's a basic introduction to poverty. Poverty means it's a situation in which an individual is unable to fulfill their basic necessities like food, shelter, clothing, education, and health care. Then the people who are called as vulnerable include all the people who are poor, include the people who are living in slums, the landless laborers, the workers in the construction sites, the beggars, and the children who are working in dabas. Then in India, India has the largest number of poor people in the world, and every fourth person in India is a poor. Around 27 crores of people in India are living in poverty as per the data of 2011-12. Then all of you have textbook with you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, there is a story is given in the textbook, a case study.
Ma'am, urban case.
Urban case study and a rural case study. The urban case study is a story of Ram Charan, right?
Yes, ma'am.
His name is Ram Charan. It's a story of Ram Charan. And the rural poverty, it's a story of Lakha Singh. So two persons. Lakha Singh. Story is given there. So first you read the story of Ram Charan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which page number?
29, ma'am.
Okay. Read the story of Ram Charan. Melvin, why late? Melvin? Why you are late? John finished?
No, ma'am.
Read it fast. Prajot, what happened to the video?
Ma'am, I didn't
Adil?
notice when it.
Sorry, dear, I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, it gone. Net slow, so it gone.
Okay,
and
okay,
auto
okay.
turned
Yes,
off.
normally you are not. Switch off your video. That's why I asked. Adil, Pratyush. Pratyush? Pratyush?
I'm finished, ma'am.
Yes. Children, I told you, maybe for 1 or 2 months I will be here to teach you. So I would like to see your faces. That's why I'm telling you to turn on the video.
Why, ma'am?
So finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What was the story?
About
About Ram Saran, right?
yes, ma'am.
Where is he working?
He is working in a wheat flour mill.
He's working in a.
His wife is working as a part-time maid.
His wife is working as a maid. Then
His elder son is working as a helper in a tea shop.
he's working in a tea shop.
His
Then
10-year-old daughter is looking after the smaller
two kids.
children.
Okay.
Kids.
So that is about the Ram Saran's family. Ram Saran, he was working in a wheat flour mill. Now, for how much is his income?
1,500 per month.
1,500 is his income. He have only an income of 1,500, and his wife, she's also working in a
800.
working as a maid, as a part-time maid in the so many houses in the urban area. They are living in urban area. Okay. So before explaining the story, the poverty may be different in different places. See, in America, maybe a person without a car is called poor
Why, ma'am?
because their standard of living is different. Okay, standard of living is different. It depends on the situation. The definition of poverty will also change. That's what I told you. Maybe earlier when we are defining poverty, it will include only food, shelter, and clothing. But now it includes both education and health. So when the living standard increases, when the country developed, the definition for poverty will also change. So urban area and rural area, the poverty have different dimensions are there. The people who are living in urban poverty is different from rural poverty. So in the first case, this Ram Charan's example is urban poverty. He is living in urban area and he's working in a wheat flour mill. His wife is working as a part-time maid. He have 4 children. So total his family include how many members?
6.
6 members. And his elder son is working in a tea shop and her daughter is look after her other 2 siblings. Then where he is living? In a luxurious flat there?
No, a small shelter made out of brick and clay.
Yes, he is living in a house which is made up of bricks and
Clay and
clay.
brick tile.
And what about his family living in the village? His father and mother is living in a village and he also want to feed them. See, even though he is only getting 1,500 rupee there, even though his wife is working, their income is very less. Along with them, 6 plus 2, total 8 members he want to feed, right? Then what about the education
ma'am.
for his children?
They are
They are
uneducated.
uneducated. They never went to school. And also, what about
Went
the
to school.
food?
Only
Only two
times they
times
can
a
eat.
day because they don't
Two
have
times.
enough to eat also. So coming to Ramcharan, he is a daily wage worker in a flour mill near Ranchi in Jharkhand. Then he earns around 1,500 rupees per month and he has to support a family of 6. His family itself include 4 children and his wife. And also he had to send money to his parents living in the native place. See, if his family include 6 plus he want to send money to his family, to his parents living in the village, and he
nearby.
lives in a one room thatched hut in an outskirt of city. That means he is living the outside part of the city. We call that places as slums. And his wife work as a household maid and she is also earning 800 rupees per month. And his son, he is working in a tea stall.
Tea shop.
And the children don't go to school. The family does not have enough food and proper clothes. That's the case of Ram Charan. So he is a daily wage worker in a flour mill. And his income is 1,500 and his wife income is around 800 rupees. And his family include how many members?
6 members.
6 members. Plus he want to feed his family who's living in the village also.
Parents.
And his children never went to school because they have no money. And even for them, they don't have enough to eat. So this is an example of urban
Poverty. Ma'am, your video is stuck.
to discuss in the next class. Okay, then bye all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Read the textbook proper, okay?
Yes,
Nas,
ma'am.
where you went?
Ma'am, you don't go, ma'am. Very much feelings.
So happy, dear. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
bye all.
Bye, ma'am.